Phil Walker with Salem Design and Manufacturing, and what we want to demonstrate today is a roll-through eddy current gauge that we make. The gauge is a roll-through, but it's a CNC design. What we mean by that is the eddy current probe is side sensing. It comes in from behind and it's programmable with an XY servo slide arrangement. So we can check stepped parts, we can check ODs, IDs, we can inspect the face. This particular machine is set up to run a variation of these parts. Depending on the width of the part, you loosen this, make an adjustment. We have escapements, the parts roll in the track here. I've dropped the number of them in ahead of time to make the video shorter. So the parts will drop in, they'll be pinched between rollers, the drive wheel comes down, spins them, and the eddy current probe, you probably won't be able to see it, but scans on the bottom. The part is reject, it drops in the basket. If it's good, it drops out there. So we're using a Criterion CR11 instrument for this particular system. So I'm just going to make it go.